Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Kia Sportage L vs Hyundai Tucson full comparison. Follow along as we examine engines, cabins, safety tech, and ownership costs step by step. I'll keep this friendly and practical, pointing out strengths, trade-offs, and which buyer each model suits best. By the end, you'll have clear priorities and confidence to test drive with purpose. We'll break down available engines, hybrid choices, and real-world fuel economy so you know what to expect on highways and city streets. I'll describe how each suspension and steering setup affects comfort and cornering confidence. You'll hear simple comparisons about acceleration, towing, and estimated MPG to match driving style and budget. This helps narrow choices before visiting a dealership for a test drive. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I love, a small win for busy drivers. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's tour interiors, screen layouts, connectivity options, and advanced driver assists to spot real differences that matter daily. I'll explain where each model excels in ergonomics, raw cargo volume, and convenience items like wireless charging or cargo tie-downs. Expect clear comparisons of user-friendliness, warranty perks, and which cabin feels more upscale for the money, helping you prioritize features you'll actually use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.